YouTube, Chris from Versus 3D here at 3D Printing Canada once again. Exciting news for me and hopefully for you. 3D Printing Canada just got their first shipment of E3D authentic products in direct from E3D. I am excited. We've got nozzle packs, Pro Pack, Fun Pack, Titan arrows. I think one of these is coming home with me tonight. E3D V6, 12 volt, 24 volt, whatever you need. They've got them here. Fantastic products, they really are. This is all I use on my machines. I love them, you will love them. Try them out. So check out the website, www.3dprintingcanada.com. You'll see these added up there shortly. And don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell, or leave a comment. Actually, you should do all of them. I think you should do all of them. I challenge you to like, subscribe, click the bell, and leave a comment. Have a good one.